Well, it's 14th? No, 12th, 11th, 12th day. Today's day 12. What's this place called? micaseDeco and Cafe. Yeah, try it. Don't go near me. I don't got food. I don't have food. Chill. I don't got food. Go run. Is it chasing? Dang. It was walking towards us. Okay, what does that say? That one was hella big.
I don't have food, I'm so sorry.
That's hella funny. Oh, this line is hecka long. That is crazy. Here is the end of the line. That deer was always right there. That's a big one. He was at the line.
He was trying to line up for food.
Hey.
Funny.
Hold on. I want to pull out my phone real quick. Oh. Oh. That's it. Oh no. See, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, dang.
That one chased me for the longest, Izzy.
I want to record this with my phone real quick.
Can you please hold your camera?
It's recording right now. Uh-oh.
Izzy?
Oh, it's bit my butt. Oh no. Margarita pizza. So what is this ranked? Yeah, I think for me, I think Pizza Strata. I wish we had two pizzas over there. But I think Sarah Cannon or whatever, that was number one. Mm-hmm. The margarita was good.
I really like, that's so funny. I really like their other pizza.
Mm.
Over.
This is Capra Criosa. Capra Criosa. Uh-oh. Mmm.
You like that?
Okay. The final rating would be Sarah Cannon 1, Pizza Strata 2, this 3.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Good. Tastes good. Burry. Oh, it's getting way busier now. Look at these stuff. Take a picture of those things.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool. Oh dang, this place is dangerous. They're not going here. Oh, that's melon pond. Oh, melon pond with ice cream. What do you think? Later on when we go back.
Okay, I do want to try this.
Is there a line for it, or is there a line for the melon pond with ice cream?
Yeah, I think.
Is that the line? That's not the line. Is it the line? Oh, dang. For this melon pond, this whole thing.
That's not bad.
What?
You can line here, and then I can line at okonomiyaki. I'll come back, okay? I want to try it.
All right.
Because I probably will not try it.
Uh-oh.
You turn it off.
All right, so here's the melon pond with fresh baked melon pond with green tea ice cream. Gonna try it. I took my lactose pill.
Okay, so this is my third time in Japan, and I finally ordered it. Can't believe I've actually
Tastes good.
Yummy?
Green tea, melon pond. I think the one in Osaka tastes way better.
More fresh.
I think we should got it there. This is,
I told you.
I don't know. The melon pond out there is way better.
Flakier. Fresher.
They're good though. There's like, oh, I missed it. Oh, dang. I see a lot of, there's a lot of slammed Prius over here. It's funny. Found the Domino's pizza, and I think I'm gonna order it and see how it tastes. Just got the Domino's pizza, got a small. It was 1,490 yen. I don't know how much that is, but I got the Giga Meat. 1490. That's I made, oh yeah, 30,000 steps today. But let me see. 1390, was it 13 or 14? I forgot. 90 yen would be, there it is, 10 bucks for a small pizza. Small Domino's Giga Meat pizza. Uh-oh. Let's try it. What the heck? I don't know if they have this in America, but I'm gonna try it. What is that? There's like a sausage. I don't know what that is. Tastes like Mmm. So it has like Italian sausage, pepperoni, and like a sausage link or something. I don't even know. Hmm. Was it the crust I ordered? Hmm. I thought I got a pan crust, but I have no idea. It tastes good though. Hmm. Let me take one more. Good.